We're heading north. Kevin says 7,000 feet above sea level, right?
Yep. That's what the signs say there. Like redwoods or something like that.
I don't know.
I'm the same way.
I think it's further up north than the redwood.
Yeah, it's just the color of the bark is just bright red.
Yeah, orangey.
Yeah. Okay, we just came in the east entrance. We just spent 10 minutes fighting online to get a reservation for tonight in the campground here in the national park. Yeah, we can get places outside for free, but if you don't support the national park,
We're not going to be able to keep it.
it's not going to be here, is it? So this is the first point we're coming to, first observation point. I think we're about 7,500 feet in the air. There's snow, juniper bushes, trees, whatever you call them, yucca plants. It's beautiful. So far, it is stunning. Okay, wait till you see this. That's beautiful. What do you think, babe? That's where we're parked right now. Got that beautiful view. Beautiful view. It's over the edge. It's just gorgeous. Amazing. Okay, this point is Moran Point.
Yeah, Moran Point.
Moran. We're gonna go take a look at it. It looks pretty spectacular right now. Back in a second.
A little bit's going to watch this. I hiked it.
Oh, you
And
look 29 Palms. Okay. Yeah, we were just in Palm Springs, and
Yep.
and we were on our way there, and I said something about like, oh, I said jokingly, I said, man, if we would have planned this right, I have to be in Phoenix on Friday. Like, we should have gone to the Grand Canyon. They're like, what? So there we go. And then that's right there.
to do that.
I don't want to.
No, I was like, no,
Period.
I'm scared here, let alone stand on that over there. Especially don't go over the thing.
Doesn't bother me, but no, I'm not doing it.
That would be once in a billion years. I'd be the one that would go.
You're not even insured.
Oh, you're insured? You poophead.
It's like rapids down there. The colors are, you can't describe them. Well, I can't anyway. That's where we were to start with, that little point right there. Beautiful. Trying to get that without my shadow being in it. So that's north that way. That plateau is 6,000 feet. Wow.
We're at Lipan, Lipan Point, and I'm not sure what's the correct spelling. But here's another view. I'll get those close up in just a minute. Pretty much speechless, you know? It's so beautiful, gorgeous, stunning. Holy fudge balls, this is just standing. There's the fence, here's my feet. That's just looking straight down, and then you just slowly pan up. It's amazing. Down there where you see the waterway, that's where they call it the Hance Rabbit, and that's where they do the in the rafts, water rafting. Don't let anyone ever tell you there's no color in the desert. It's beautiful, and I love the cliffs over there.
Breathtaking. duck on a rock, and 2 vets in a van. Okay, this is our campsite for tonight. 291. It's a pull-through type. Our satellite dish is there. Open sky, should be good. We got a fire ring, and yes, we can use it. We have a table. There is a toilet block right through there. Where we came in, there was a shower and laundry facility and a dump for all your gray waste and all that good stuff. But this is where we're at in the Grand Canyon. This is ours for tonight. It's like standing in stones back home, isn't it? Hopi.
We see any big horse yet?
I haven't seen diddly. Hey, Bip Bip.
Look at Dad.
Bip Bip. Hi. Hi. Nah, I'm good, babe. Buddy. You got the ravens at Tower London. And we got the ravens here. They're beautiful. Take a little wander up this path. It's here for a reason. Let's get some of the flowers. rabbit brush. Look at that. Ponderosa pine. There's a cactus there. Douglas fir. Okay, so wandering around the park, there's so much stuff to do. If you haven't been to Grand Canyon, you don't know what you're missing. It's almost emotional. That's how beautiful it is. It's gorgeous.